Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Let's see where Bank Nifty will move tomorrow, what strategy we need to apply, where we need to position ourselves. Friends, yesterday we clearly discussed as soon as the Bank Nifty opens flat, we'll be buying the market. The reason was behind very simple. As you've noticed, like the people who know about here, they didn't book the profits. Like the market went higher and only little bit of the profit been taken here, but the institution's profit has been not done. So I was expecting the market to move at least 39,000, and from there we might have seen some kind of a profit booking. But as you've seen, like the market went up until 38,650 at the spot levels, 38,660 at futures, and at the spot, like market went somewhere. Just a second. The market went up until 38,600, and then market has turned back, and most of the time it was on the sideways mode. Uh, Here somewhere I've given you a call at a Telegram channel saying like buy the put options, and it gave us a very good profit up until here. And later again I suggested you to buy somewhere the put options here at 12 o'clock. It gave you a very good profit somewhere here. And later entire day it was on the sideways range. The reason behind for the sideways is like as the institutions have taken the market very aggressively within a very short period of time, so again they started to consolidate the market at the higher levels, and they don't want to take the markets either higher or on the lower side. So they are just consolidating in sideways mode. As you can notice, the market is in a sideways mode. So most of the time the market was staying in a sideways mode. As you can notice, like absolutely no volume was being traded here, just an algorithmic trading was happening. As you can notice, like most of the day there was an algorithmic trading and very light volume was happening, and it was a balanced market. Completely there was a balanced and a sideways trend in the market. Even if you look at the Nifty was acting as the same, like it was a sideways to almost like it was a sideways mode, like 50 points was the move which was taking place in the Nifty. I think the institutions, they are planning, they might want the market to move only after the budget, or probably like somewhere at the next week. So what strategy we need to apply for tomorrow's market? I'll take you at a 15 minutes time frame of tomorrow. So tomorrow, if you notice clearly, the Bank Nifty went somewhere like 38,400. It got a resistance here, and somewhere like 38,200 it got the support levels. So most of the day the Bank Nifty was trading on the downward sideways move. So downward sideways move, what it says, like the Bank Nifty is looking a little bit weak, and the institutions, they don't have any interest in buying the market. They are slowly and gradually they are selling the market on the lower side. So what strategy we need to apply for tomorrow's market? I won't recommend you to buy the market up until it crosses this levels, 38,400. So let the market goes and sustains above 38,400 for 10 to 15 minutes at least. Then we can look for a buying opportunity, and we can target up until 38,500, 600 and 700. I would say like somewhere here. It might take the resistance again. Till here we can book the profit. On the lower side, let 38,000 break decisively, and let a 5 minutes candle hold below 38,000. Then we can look for a selling opportunity with a less quantity, as there is no conviction from the buyers as well as the sellers. So again the market might bounce back into the range, and it might trade in this range. So our strategy should be simple. If the market opens flat and if it starts to go up, we'll let it go. We'll enter only after 38,400 has been crossed decisively. Then we'll be entering into the market. And just a second. So and like when the market, if the market is crossing 38,000, if the market is opening flat and if it is crossing 38,000, we'll let it to cross 38,000. after 38,000 itself, or else if the market opens flat and if market crosses this swing, yesterday's low, we'll be looking to sell the market and we'll be targeting up until 38,000. We never know, even if the market crosses 38,000 and if it takes the support, and it might even come back. So what is happening is like, whenever the market is going on the higher side, so you'll be finding a retracement. So what are the retracements is like, the people who are holding here, they'll be trailing their stop losses up until somewhere to certain point. To get them out of the positions, the markets will be coming on the lower side, and some point they might accumulate and they'll go on the higher side. So I'm thinking the same thing. The market is coming a little bit lower and there was a pullback on the higher side. Again it is coming and looking for a liquidity on the sideways mode. Once if the market comes again, it starts to accumulate on the lower side, so it might turn on the higher side within a budget time. So our strategy should be, as if it opens flat and if it goes higher, we let it go. We'll be buying only above 38,400. We'll be buying only above 38,400. If the market crosses this swings and if it comes down, we'll be looking to sell the market and we'll be trying to target up until 38,000. If 38,000 crosses and if it closes a 5 minutes candle here, we'll be looking to sell the market and we'll be holding up until 37,500. If the market is opening somewhere, if it is taking the support here and if it is bouncing back again, it might be volatile market tomorrow again. It might trade in this range between 38,400 and 38,000. So the best strategy would be like, if the market opens flat and if it crosses this swing, we'll be looking to sell the market, because the selling side you might expect like it might come very fast and we can target up until 38,000. 200 points will be a easy target. If market opens gap down below this point, definitely we'll be buying the put options, as there is no thinking like we'll be looking or we'll be waiting something. If the market opens below 38,000, as these people will be putting their stop losses here, so it will trigger very fast and market will come very fast on the downside moment. I mean to say, like, the market will come on the downward momentum. So we'll see where the market will open tomorrow. If the market opens big gap up, if the market is coming down and once it is taking support, we'll enter into the market and we'll target up until 38,600 and 38,700. I hope you like my video. If so, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button. And if you like my calls, please do trade 1 or 2 lots so that you'll get an experience, and I'll be giving you with the stop loss so that you can experience like, is the things are working, or am I telling by with an experience, or am I doing like random trades. You can see on what setup, on what basis I'm giving you the calls. So basis on that you will get certain learning thing from the stock market. So try to take 1 or 2 lots and put your strict stop loss and see what setup I am using when I am giving the calls. I hope you like my video. Please do subscribe my channel.